What's up, guys? Want to give everyone an update. Haven't given one in a while. Been pretty busy around here, but as you can see, did a little bit of changing on some stuff. So sold off about 5 of the cars. Sold off the yellow C10, sold off the S10, sold off the Bourbon, the Tahoe, the Firebird, kept the green C10, as you can see. Also kept the Nova. The Nova's hidden back behind here. So still got the Nova. Still got one of the dailies, the Chevy SS, with all the Holden badges. Obviously still got my dually over there for the tow pig. As you can tell, I got a bunch of dirt brought in. Going to be building my 40 by 60 shop, which is going to go pretty much all in this area from that stake mark to right about where I'm standing right here, down to that stake mark past the dually, and then over there in the corner. So shop should be started here within the next couple of weeks. You may ask what I sold off all the vehicles for and what I've been doing. Well, been working on that. So picked up this 1960 Impala Nomad Wagon. It was not bagged. It did not have the 20s. It had some 15-inch American Racing torque thrusts on it. Immediately took those off as soon as I got it home. Put on the 20-inch US Mags on it, and then just finished up the air ride. Still got a little bit of stuff left to do, but lays out pretty good. Used the twisted images, front and rear brackets, shock relocators, slam bags, flow air tanks, and then use the AirLift 3-piece system. Got the hookup on everything from Rigo over at Horn Blasters, so appreciate all his support as always. And took a little over 2 weeks to do it, just doing it here and there. I'm going to be doing a full write-up on the car here shortly, but all in all, coming pretty good. Good family cruiser, vintage air. It's got a 283 with 200 R4 trans on it. You know, it's about a 10-year-old restoration, so it needs some cleaning up, but all in all, in great shape, and should be a fun little project to work on while I'm working on the other stuff. So next video I'll have up after this one will be the full tech on bagging it. Be about a 2-hour video from what I'm working on so far, but want to include as much as I can. So for those of you that are looking to bag the 58 to 64 Impala Bel Airs, it's all the same kit, so I'll help you through it. Alright, well, thanks for watching, guys.